After years of neglect, we finally decided that between the termites and the barns sinking, that it was finally time to do something with them. So we decided we were going to raise them up by 40 inches, where we'd be able to stack double the amount of bales in them with only half the barns. Because they were a total of 300 foot, we ended up raising about 160 foot. As you can see, the termites are really working on some of the boards. They haven't yet crawled up the 4x4s up into the attic, but there was plenty of trails going up. Here we had taken off the tin on the front. This is where we broke the barn, because we were only, like I said, raising up about half of the barn. So we'll cut it here, take the tin off, where when we're raising it, we bolted a beam to the side of the 4x4s with one bolt at every joint. Next is on to digging the holes. We use a 36-inch auger, and we use a total of 9 posts on each side, spaced 20 foot apart.
Dinner's ready.
Yes, we love to have fun.
No, I'm ready.
Here, we just recently got done pouring the cement and we were covering up the holes. To avoid the building falling over, we added braces, 3 on each side. With the help of a mag drill and a torch, we drilled some holes that you'll later see we used to, while raising the barn, we would stick a rod through and set it back down so we can move our equipment down. By the way, a mag drill is a fantastic piece of equipment if you're trying to drill a nice hole. Due to the post being right on the other side of the 4x4s, we were not able to get the mag drill on the opposite side, so we ended up having to use a torch for them.
Leave that rod coming out.
It is a little different between the hole. I mean, it ain't much different. I set up my camera, but then it ended up falling down. Here you see we put 3 pieces of equipment on each side. We raised up in stages. On the tractors, we ended up having to use chains, beams, and get underneath it. It worked really good. During this time, it was kind of a madness because everybody was running around, and me and my dad were the ones in charge on either side. Then once we got it up to 40 inches, we started welding, and here's those pins I was talking about. My brother will be raising it up from 20 inches to 40 inches, where you set it back down. Then the welding began. We had some C's made where you just put it over the beam and weld it to the post. Then all we had to do yet was weld it up, and the job was complete.